Hi, welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. I'm Mathia Ford, and today we're making a savory ranch pork chop that is delicious and perfect for kidney disease. You're not going to miss any flavor. You're going to love it. Perfect with this ranch rub, and it tastes really good and savory. So stick around. You're not going to want to miss it. Welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. I'm your host, Mathia Ford, and today we're cooking a ranch pork chop. We're going to use my ranch seasoning that I'll link to in the description. We have a little bit of oil and we have pork chops. Very simple recipe, but very good to eat. Okay, so we're preheating the oven and we have a cookie sheet ready to go after we brown these on either side. But the first step is to use my delicious ranch seasoning and sprinkle it on here and rub it into them on both sides. So I'm just gonna, I like to pat it in there. And this recipe is for 4 servings, but I know I have 3 pork chops, so I'm gonna cut the pork chops afterwards, in case you're wondering why I have 3 and it's a recipe for 4. This ranch seasoning is so delicious, better than store-bought. You can control what's in there. You got a little bit of dill flavoring, a little bit of ranch. It's very good. All right, so now we're gonna put the pork chops in the oven for about 8 minutes, then we'll flip them in another 8 minutes. Okay, it's time to flip the pork chops. Those smell so good. They'll be ready to go in a couple more minutes. Okay, time to take the ranch pork chops out of the oven. They are done. Delicious. Look at that sizzle and look at that dill. We're gonna let them cool for a minute and then we're gonna taste them. In order to make these ranch pork chops 4 servings, I'm going to cut each one into 4 pieces. So each person will get 3 pieces. All right, this looks perfect. It's delicious. It's very tender. And now let's have a bite. I definitely taste that dill ranch flavor. And it's very tender. I don't even miss the salt.